In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play competitive in CS2, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. This is really simple to do. All you have to do is click on play, and as you can see, there are a multitude of different options. You're going to click on competitive, and unfortunately, this is actually needing to be unlocked. So once you actually complete other matches, you'll be able to compete in competitive. But for example, this is what's going to pop up. Let's say I'm just playing casual. But if you are in competitive, it will have different options, but you're going to click the option that you want to click and then click on go. It'll then search and you'll have a game. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.